课。
First lesson. How to say hello in Mandarin.
你好，你好，你好。
Listen to the dialogue.
你好，
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 您好，
New words.
你好，
你
Means you.
好，
Means good. When you say,
你好，
you are essentially saying you good or you well as a way of greeting someone.
您好，
您
Is a polite form of you and is used to show respect.
您好，
It is also a common greeting in Mandarin Chinese. It is a polite form of saying hello and is often used when addressing someone with a higher social status, someone older, or in formal situations. The difference between
你
and
您
你、您 both of them means you in English. But what's the difference between them? 你 is informal. It is used in casual or familiar situations, such as you can say 你好 to your friends, family members, or people of the same age group. 您 is the formal and polite form of you. It is used in more formal or respectful situations. You can use 您 to elders, strangers, teachers, or professional settings. If you still think it's too confusing, you can simply use 你 in most occasions. It cannot be wrong in daily life.
listen to the dialogue too.
你们好，
老师好，
老师好，
Let's learn Mandarin pronouns.
你、我、他、他、他。The 30% of Chinese only have one pronunciation, is 他. Also, Chinese does not have verb conjugations based on percent or number. There's no singular or plural in Chinese. The context of the sentence or additional words may indicate the quantity or whether it's singular or plural.
Let's learn simple grammar.
们 men. The character 们 in Chinese is a plural marker used to indicate a group of people. When pronoun followed by 们, the meaning directly turn from singular to plural. Let's practice. 我们、你们、他们、他们、他们。The female, male animals the of them only have one pronunciation. It's 他们. When you are not sure about the gender, you can simply use the male 他们.
你们好，
means you guys are good. Let's read again.
你们好，
老师，
means teacher. Let's repeat.
老师，
你们好，
老师好。
Congrats! You have completed your first lesson of learning Mandarin. Great job! We cannot wait to see you in the next lesson.